Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Today I'm going to introduce you this special model. It is for some small nut and some powdered sugar. Also, you can see some nitrogen injection here. The final product will be like this. You can see the sealing and the tearing, and inside some powdered sugar and some oatmeal. So you can see this is the injection of the nitrogen air. This tube is connected to the cup, measuring cup. It's pouring down the small oatmeal and peanuts, grains, something. And this one is for the powder head. The screw will go round and round and inject the powdered sugar. So this is over there, you see the cutter. That's the special one. Okay, here we go. You can see it's running very well, stable. The measuring cup is for the gram. It's pouring down. One pack, two pack, one by one, okay. You see the cutter with the day printer. Here's the day printer. And inside is the powder head with the screw. Go once and once. You can see here. It's moving. So let's have one more package. We start it first. Now it's running on 25 package. And we test with some scale. You see the printing is very well for the days. Second package. This one's small. This is the sealing. See, that's good. If you want the sealing better, you can change some finish is stronger, so the sealing will be much more closer, stronger. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.